Hello and welcome to another update video about render. Yeah, I have changed over to the Kucoin chart. I had the Coinbase chart before. I used the Coinbase chart before in my render videos. It doesn't make any difference to the analysis, but it has a longer chart history. So I thought today I'm looking at all the charts again. So I thought, look, why not go with the one that has the longer chart history? Again, it doesn't make any difference to the wave count. This is a chart that loves to move only in 3-wave structures. It topped in 3 waves in 2021. It moved down in 3 waves and it's now moving up in 3 waves. Yeah. However, a break above the $2.90 level would give Render the possibility to create its first 5-wave structure, which would be good. Yeah. But this is something that we have to challenge and question and doubt because many new coins are just not able to. They're just not able to. However, it's possible, okay, and we wanna acknowledge that possibility. So what do we need to do? So first of all, to give us that 5th wave, we need to understand. First of all, we need to understand that Render seems to be running here within a diagonal structure. So this diagonal started last year in June. I've been highlighting that many times, that we at best are dealing here with the diagonal. Yeah, this is the bullish interpretation. The more bearish interpretation is that this is just an ABC structure as we had it here. Yeah, and that this is coming down again and is going to make completely new lows. Or it could just be in a huge range for many, many years to come. But again, as long as price is holding the 84-cent level, that's the 61.8 retracement level, it technically can give us a 5th wave up. Below that level, it is going to be highly unreliable that this is still a wave 4. I mean, yeah, you could argue maybe it's coming down all the way to that trend line down there. If it's really an expanding diagonal, which is playing out here, but they often fail eventually, then the wave 4 could come down a little lower, might touch the trend line. Maybe it's doing something like that and actually doesn't even break below the golden ratio here, doesn't break below the 84-cent level, holds the trend line. And yeah, it just depends on when we hit this trend line, right? And then as long as it's holding that level, it doesn't even need to go down all the way. I'm just highlighting that below 84 cents, it is highly unlikely that this is still a wave 4, because in any diagonal structure, wave 4 that breaks below the golden ratio is not really a wave 4 anymore. It's unlikely. Yeah, it's just not reliable. So a 5th wave to the upside could unfold afterwards, and if it breaks above $2.90, then Render will have formed its first 5 waves up, which would be positive. Then we can watch for an ABC pullback. Yeah. So at the moment, however, there is no evidence that it has started the wave 5 to the upside. It's actually hovering below the descending trend line. It looks like a 3-wave move down so far, but it might need to form an ABC structure. It might need one more low. So this could be an A wave, B wave, C wave, because in here you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more low. I would say next support is at $1.06, right? And I would pay attention to that level. If it breaks below that level, we have 84 cents. It can rally earlier, and a signal that it starts the rally, potentially the wave 5, a signal would be a break above the trend line, but hasn't happened yet, okay? So for now, it's a local downtrend. $1.06 is next support. In my opinion, quite important support, because we had previous support here in March. And and resistance here, similar level in November 22, and also here resistance in May 22. But the bottom line is it's an unreliable chart because it's just moving in 3-wave structures. The local trend is down. Here it has a chance to form 5 waves up, but only in a diagonal. These cannot be trusted until we see a first 5-wave move, and until we see a first 5-wave move, we just need to be on the side of caution. But short term, you need to understand that there are opportunities here. I mean, if you're a breakout trader, there's a breakout opportunity here. Above $2.90, it might actually rally all the way up to the previous all-time high. But at the moment, the trend is down. So again, if you're a short trader, pullbacks to the trend line from below can, of course, be shorted. But next support is around the corner, basically, with $1.06. Hope that makes sense. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.